Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to another video. We're in the Brecon Beacons. We're doing a fairly popular route, especially on the weekend like today, with the 4 waterfalls, so hopefully we'll show you that when we get there. The initial plan was actually to go up Mount Snowdon today, but because we looked at the weather and it's quite foggy, we just thought we'll do this today and hopefully we'll do that another day. But we'll show you what the waterfalls look like when we get there. Just a little tip for anyone doing this route: you get no signal here, so just download the route beforehand. It seems fairly simple, but we're just doing it freestyle at the moment, so I've got no signal and I didn't download the route. But you know, you live and you learn. So we're just coming up to a crossroads here. I'll just show you, and let's try to figure out where we're going. So yeah, simple enough. Swiglingin that way and Guan Hepstay that way. We'll go that way. So we parked over here, we've walked along this path, and I think we're here. Someone's ripped that out, but yeah, we're there, and we'll just take a right down to this first waterfall. I just wanted to say, we didn't get much footage of this first waterfall, but there is a path on the other side that gets you a bit closer. It's a great waterfall, but arguably the others, in my opinion, were a little bit better. So stay tuned and you'll see those ones. So we've just done some serious off-roading here. There was a path earlier on that was closed, so it took us back to the main path. I think we were missing the second waterfall. So I don't know if you can see those people just down there. I think that's the path that we wanted to be on, and we've just come from all the way up there above that cliff, and we've just scrambled our way down, and hopefully we'll make it all the way down without dying.
So that's the footpath that was closed, but we've managed to make it to the waterfall.
So we've just come down from that second waterfall. I wish I could tell you what it was called, but I can't. I'll probably just put it in the video now. And we're making our way to the third one. So that's 3 waterfalls down, just 1 to go. I've been fairly impressed with this path, to be honest. It is a pretty good path. I mean, it's not too hard. You can see here, it's not simple path, but it's nothing technical, so it's a good balance.
There he goes again.
When it comes to river crossings, I'm a seasoned pro, so I'll just show you how I tackle a fast flowing river like this. Yeah, so just So I've analysed the situation and I don't think there's any way across. Oh.
the last little bit now, back to the car park. And it's, what time is it, Khaled? 3:50.
It's about 3:50, yeah.
So it's not too dark, and I just wanted to say, if you are thinking of coming to the Brecon Beacons and doing this walk in the winter, then don't be put off, because I know it does get dark quicker, but it is 3:50, it's still plenty bright, and we've managed to do everything and get back in time. But yeah, if you did want to come in the winter, I would definitely recommend it.
So that's it, guys. That's the path for the 4 waterfalls in the Brecon Beacons. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.